Alright guys, welcome back with this cool little bird here, and as you remember, I'm making a new wing because this one broke. However, had issues with the correct sizing for this thing, and so even though these came out pretty good, they won't work because they're the wrong size. As you can see here, this is printed really well, but it's hard to see the numbers. So what I'm going to do is, I'm here inside Blender with Maya controls, because I don't know how to use the Blender controls, but luckily Blender allows you to use Maya controls. So now I've gone and changed the mesh. It used to look like this messy setup here, but now I've fixed it a little bit and I'm going to modify it completely, which will allow me to then go in there and change the colors on the faces, and therefore I will have easy to read numbers and bits there so that I can measure properly. Thanks for watching.
Likey.